I've been at Thales for nearly 11 years now, and I work as an engineering delivery manager. It's all the way through the bid with the customer, trying to understand what they want to implement on our trucks, and then I take that on as it's like a project management role, as well as managing the engineering artifacts to make sure that we commit and deliver the engineering to a standard that the customer is looking for. When we speak to the Army guys that have been on these trucks and they've experienced what these trucks can withstand, that is all inspiring. Now we're hearing from the Ukraine Defence Force and how it's affecting their team and how many lives they've been able to save, and that's an incredible feat. Yeah, I'm very proud of these trucks. I think that they have developed over quite a significant number of years into something that is very safe, very reliable. I don't know if you could find anything like it in the world.